Hi, meteorologist Tony Petrarca on the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You clicked on the Weather Now link on this Monday afternoon. Well, let's see, almost 4 o'clock. Here we go again. Hot weather is back. Temperatures topped out at 93 degrees this afternoon. So the heat advisory continues now through Wednesday evening. The combination of heat and humidity will produce these feel-like temperatures, what we call the heat index, anywhere from 95 to 100 degrees. And the heat looks like it should continue for a few more days. So when you look at the high temperature for today, reaching 93, and by definition, we need 3 consecutive days of 90 or higher. So today's day number 1. We do anticipate that both Tuesday and Wednesday to at least reach 90 during the afternoon. So more than likely another heat wave on the way. Take a look at Easton's Beach in Newport, a sea breeze. The coastline, really the place to be as far as beating the heat. It is very warm at the coast right now, but not nearly as hot. You can see the flag there, the breeze coming in off the water, and it's, of course, why we head to the beach in weather like this. So it's a little more refreshing along the coastline right now. These are pictures as of a little after 4 o'clock in the afternoon, around 4:15, as we take a look at the satellite and radar deposit. Had a couple of isolated showers pop up. They've been few and far between. This one near Arcadia Management, it was around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Watch it right here. And boom, it just fizzled. So very random, very brief and isolated. And that'll be pretty much the scenario next couple of afternoons. I don't expect much in the way of widespread rain, but each afternoon we may set off that just kind of a brief, random pop-up shower or thunderstorm. The activity is a little more generous, more widespread in upstate New York and parts of northern New England. I really don't anticipate much here this evening. Speaking of thunderstorms, just kind of draw your attention to this out across the Midwest and Illinois and Chicago. Boy, this is a real nasty line of damaging thunderstorms and even some tornadoes. That's not a factor in our forecast. So we'll get in real close and walk you through it hour by hour, and starting off at 7 o'clock this evening. And temperatures that'll be in the middle 80s early in the evening, otherwise partly cloudy, very warm and humid overnight. Temperatures in the 70s. 6 o'clock in the morning, you're looking at 6 a.m. about 73, so a warm, humid start to the day. And then once again, we're going to top out in the lower 90s under partly sunny skies. This is about 2 o'clock. And take note, and this may be a little overdone here, but kind of give you an indication that, especially inland away from the coast, right up in here in northern suburbs, this may be a brief pop-up shower or thunderstorm mid to late afternoon. So it's one of those deals where if you catch one Tuesday afternoon, it wouldn't last very long. The sun would come back out. 5 o'clock in the afternoon, upper 80s to lower 90s. We may start to see some fog roll in along the coastline with the high humidity, but not until very late day, early evening. And then here we are at 11 o'clock Tuesday night. I think with the humidity being pretty high, we do anticipate some low clouds and fog to move back in late on Tuesday night. So for this evening, let's go right by that. That's not even the correct forecast. Actually, for this evening, we're going to be very warm and humid. So 7 o'clock in the evening, around 85, and then later in the evening, temperatures are still in the mid to upper 70s. That was an old forecast. So bottom line, it's warm and humid for tonight. If you're heading out, I don't really see much in the way of any thunderstorm activity. Now, Tuesday morning, 6 a.m., 73. By 11 a.m., it's already in the upper 80s. Hot, humid, partly sunny for your Tuesday afternoon. Daytime highs in the low 90s. And again, just the outside chance of an isolated thunderstorm popping up, but otherwise a rain-free day. So the heat, humidity continue for a few more days. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.